The first rule is called the niche down to blow up rule.
What?
Let me explain. What small channels don't realize is that there is a very specific hotspot when it comes to niches. Most new channels pick a niche that is either too saturated or not popular enough, or both. I see new creators all the time trying to copy what a million other people are doing on YouTube. There seems to be a lot of YouTube guru misinformation scattered across the platform. A lot of new creators seem to think that they can make meditation rain videos or compilations of funny animals and get millions of views. This may be the case for some, but this is very hard because you have everyone and their grandma making these kinds of videos.
Okay, Johnny, I got the waterfall scene. Now how do I add the rain sounds in CapCut?
No, Grandma. I said do not do meditation videos. There's like 1 trillion people already doing that on YouTube.
But Dave Nick said that I can make $1 million a month.
Why does your coffee smell like tequila? You should aim to create your own sub-niche inside of a popular niche. What I mean by this is that you should take a very popular niche and create your own style within it. For example, the channel Let's Game It Out took the gaming niche, but he added his own twist on it. He takes popular video games and plays them the wrong way, or in a way that is extremely unconventional. This guy has over 5 million subscribers. There is another channel in the ASMR niche called Sandtageous. It basically takes the whole ASMR craze and puts a spin on it. All they do is cut into colorful pieces of sand. That's it. Very simple, yet so satisfying for some weird reason. They have over 6 million subscribers and make over $200,000 per month for cutting into sand with a knife. If you are not currently getting the kinds of views and subscribers that you want, then do this. Go to ChatGPT and enter my secret prompt. Fill in the blank with your specific niche. ChatGPT will now spit out 10 different ways to be original and stand out on your specific niche. Pick the best one and make your next video around it. If that doesn't work, then try the next one until your videos start getting views. Also, remember that if your thumbnails are not good, you will not get any views on your video. To make viral thumbnails, you can download my free thumbnail checklist, which is linked in the description below. The number 2 thing that you must do is upload frequently. Let me explain. The minimum long-form videos you should be uploading is 1 per week. Every time you upload 1 video, you should aim to upload 2 community posts, and possibly 1 short. What this does is hacks the YouTube algorithm from multiple angles. You will not only get viewers and subscribers who are browsing on the YouTube homepage, but also the Shorts page and through community posts. It's kind of like sniping 1 target from 3 different locations. You have to let the algorithm know that you are serious about pushing out content. The third way to reach 1,000 subscribers fast is to implement similar metadata across your whole channel. What do I mean when I say similar metadata? Metadata is the information that the YouTube algorithm uses to classify your content. It takes the words within the title, description, and tags, and uses them to feed your videos to the right audience. If your metadata is not matching or consistent on all or most of your videos, they will not be pushed to the correct viewers. The fourth thing to do to reach 1,000 subscribers fast is to engage with your audience. This should be a no-brainer, but I see a lot of creators who fail to do this. It's very important to engage with our audience and ask for feedback about our videos because our viewers are what make our channels successful. Try to give as much value as possible through content and by creating a strong community. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, create community posts, and send out free content. Just make sure to let your viewers know that they are valuable because they are. The final thing that you should do to get 1,000 subscribers fast is to make videos that people actually want to watch. I know you like to make videos around a certain hobby that you have, but ask yourself this question. Do other people like to watch videos around that specific subject as well? I get many of my students who ask me why their channel is not succeeding, and when I actually go to their channel, they have videos around a subject that is not exactly the most interesting. You have to find a middle ground, something that you like and something that others like as well. In every niche, there are certain types of videos that perform better than others. To get viral video ideas, go to the YouTube search bar and search for videos in your specific niche. Then, filter them by view count and by videos uploaded this month. Take inspiration from all the videos that have over 100,000 views. These videos are the ones that are trending and have the potential to make your videos go viral as well. Take note of their title, thumbnail, video structure, and overall presentation. You could take that idea and make it your own. Read their tags and compare them to your own tags. The point here is to follow a structure that has already worked for someone else. Of course, do not flat out copy them, but use them as inspiration when creating content. Remember that getting 1,000 subscribers is the first milestone on your YouTube journey. I have a full comprehensive online course about how to be successful on YouTube and make thousands of dollars per month. It covers viral thumbnail creation, viral titles, the YouTube algorithm, video structure, the subconscious mind of the viewer, comes with tons of copy and paste templates for your YouTube channel, and much, much more. You get one-on-one coaching with me as an added bonus. I am so confident that my course will make you a success on YouTube that I offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. Let's learn and grow together as a community.